I welcome you all to my channel Kerala GSP Konkani Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Koduvae ghassi. Koduvae ghassi is a dish that can be had as side dish along with rice, and Koduvae is Konkani word for Kypacheera. It is called as Kypacheera in Malayalam. Then Koduvae usually it grows on the banks of the paddy field, and it will be usually smeared with soil, which has to be cleaned with water before preparing any dish with Koduvae or Kypacheera. Since Koduvae is bitter in taste, we add tamarind to compromise the bitter taste. Now coming to the recipe. Ingredients. You need 1 cup Koduvae cut into small pieces. A small gooseberry sized tamarind, water as required, salt to taste. Now for the dhova masolu. Since we are preparing dhavi ghassi, we need dhova masolu. So we need to have coconut scrapings, red chilies, turmeric powder, and for seasoning you need oil, mustard and urad dal and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Coming to the preparation of Koduvae. These are the various ingredients that you require for preparing. I already mentioned about that. Now what you have to do is remove the roots and wash the Koduvae to remove all the soil particles sticking to it. Then cut it into small pieces and keep aside. Dissolve tamarind in slightly hot water and keep aside. If you use hot water, it will be easier to dissolve the tamarind than using cold water. Grind the dhova masolu using coconut, red chilli, turmeric powder to a smooth paste. Transfer it to the vessel in which you will be preparing the ghassi. Add the required volume of water, add salt, then mix well. Add tamarind water and mix well. Dhavi ghassi is of semi-consistency, so it should not be watery. So you have to adjust the quantity of water that you are adding to the dish. Now boil the masolu on a low flame. Once the masolu has boiled, add cut Koduvae. Mix well and switch off the flame. Once the flame is switched off, you have to do the seasoning. For that, you have to heat oil in a kadai or pan. After adding mustard seeds to hot oil, add urad dal. Saute for a few seconds until the urad dal becomes rose color. Now add curry leaves. Pour the seasoning over the dhavi ghassi and mix well. Your Koduvae ghassi is ready to be served. Serve with rice. This Koduvae is available only in certain seasons. That is usually during the winter, December season and all only you will be getting. November, December season you will be getting this Koduvae. You can prepare the dish that time. I will come with more recipes with Koduvae. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.